Dear students, in the previous class, we will know about what is fraction, what is definition of fractions, what are the example of fractions, what are the types of fractions. In this class, we will discuss about addition of fractions. And the fractions ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೂಡಬೇಕು, ಸಂಕಲನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. 1/2 plus 2/2. Look here. Here this is our problems. Here 1/2 is our fraction. Here also 2/2 also fractions. So how to add these two fractions? This is very easy. Why? Because in these fractions denominator is always same. Look here. So while you adding or subtracting, so denominator is always same. Look here. Here 1/2 plus here 2/2. Here denominator 2, here also denominator 2. So take 2 as the common. Understand? Then add only for numerator. This is called denominator. Denominator is always same. So while add the fractions, you should notice about the denominator is always same. So 2 should be common. Again add numerator 1 plus 2, that is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3/2. So this is the addition of fractions. Suppose we will take another examples. 3/4 plus 2/5. Look here. Here this is a different. Here 3/4 is one of the fractions and 2/5 is one of the fractions. But how to add these two? In the previous we told about 1/2 plus 2/2. Here the fractions, the denominator will be same. So very easy to add because we have take denominator as a common, then add only for numerator. So 3/2. But here denominator is different. Here 4 is there, here 5 is there. How to add? You should not add because so while addition of fraction you should notice about that we have only for denominator should be same. Suppose denominator is not same, first it should be same, or another one example is called equalized denominator. How to equalize denominator? So while the addition of fractions denominator is not same, you should have different denominator. So what to do? We have to do equalize the denominator. How to equalize? Taking LCM. Here 4 and 5 take LCM. Here 4 and 5 have no common multiples because 4 is multiplied by only 4 itself and 1 itself. The 5 is also multiplied by 5 itself and also 1 itself. So here, so 1 into 4, 4, 1 into 5, 5, because the 4 and 5 have no common multiple. So multiply these two, 4 into 5 equal to 20. This is called LCM. Look here. ಯಾವುದೇ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೂಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಂಕಲನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸಮ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಸಿಎಂ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಎಲ್ಸಿಎಂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ, 4 ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ಎಲ್ಸಿಎಂ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ 4 ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು 1 ರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 1 ರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 5 ರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು 1/4 1 4 ದ 4 1 5 ದ 5 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 4 into 5 20. So 20 is the LCM. So look here, what is the LCM of 4/5? This is 20. Understand? Then equalizing these fractions. First you should take 3/4. So this is the first fractions. First equalizing denominator. Look here. What is the LCM of this? 20. Substitute here. Put it here 20. Cancel. How much? 4 1s are 4. 4 5s are 20. Understood? So what is there? 5 3s are 15. So what is the equation of 3/4? It is 15. Put it here. Again here what is there? Plus. Put it here plus. Then 2/5. So equals 2/5 to the LCM. What is LCM? 20. So here 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. Correct? 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8. Correct? Is it wrong or right? Right. So 8. Look here. So what do? So while addition of fraction, if the denominator is not same, take the LCM. So now take the LCM 20. That 20 LCM should be multiplied to each fractions. That is called as, that method is called as equalize the denominator. That method is called equalize the denominator. So first take the 3/4 again 3 by 4 write down here into 20. This is LCM. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20, 5 3s are 15, put here 15. Again your plus is there, put here plus. Again 2 by taken, the second fractions 2 by 5 into LCM submitted here. 5 ones are 5, 5 4s are 20. So 2 4s are 8. So put it here 8. Then 20, 15 plus 8. What? What is 15 plus 8? 23. Correct? 23 by 20. 23 by 20 is common multiple? Is they have common multiple? No. This is the final answer. This is called as addition of fraction. Understand? In the same way, we have to do subtraction of fractions. Look here. So now we are going to discuss about subtraction of fractions. How to subtract subtraction. Subtraction means ವ್ಯವಕಲನ ಕಳೆಯುವುದು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. Look here. ಈಗ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ. ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್? So as you told about in the previous, so while add or subtract the fraction, you must notice that the denominator is always same. Suppose denominator is not same, you take the LCM and simplify, then add or subtract the same common multiple. The same common principle you have taken here. Take one example. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. This is a simple example. Look here. Instead of plus, we have minus because minus is the subtraction symbol. Correct? So here 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. How to subtract these two? Here you have noticed that denominator is same. Correct? Denominator is same. So take the common because while add or subtract, denominator should be same. Correct? The 4, 4, take the common 4. Then 3 here 3. What is the symbol here? Minus. What is here? 2. What to do? We have take the LCM. We have take the denominator as a common. Then subtract the numerator only. Then 3 minus 2, 1, 1 divided by 4. This is the final answer of the 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. This is a simple problem. So now we have take another problems somewhat different. 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10. Look here. Here denominator is same. You take the common, then subtract the numerator, then write down the answer, final answer. But here, so compared to this problem, this will be different because here 5 is there, here 10 is there. Denominator is not same. So what to do? While addition or subtraction, denominator is not same. What to do? We have to take LCM. Correct? Take LCM. What is the LCM here? 5 and 10. So 5 and 10. Correct? So now the 5 and 10 have common multiples. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾವ ಮುಗಿದ ಓದಿದೋ ಯಾವ ಟೈಮ್ ಓದುತ್ತೆ? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? again one ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 2 1s are 2. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? then 5 into 2 into 1 into 1. correct? 5 into 2 into 1 into 1. so then 5 2s are 10. 10 1s are 10, 10 1s are 10. This is 10. That is called LCM. Correct? It is called LCM. What is LCM of 5 and 10? 10. Put it here 10. Then what is here? 2 by 5. Simplify the 2 by 5. Look here. So 2 by 5, which is the first fractions, it will be simplified by 2 LCM. What is LCM? 10. This method is called as equalized denominator. This is called equalized denominator. Then subtract. Multiply. 5 1s are 5. Correct? 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. So when you simplify 2 by 5 to the LCM, what is 4? Put it here 4. What is here? Minus. Here again take the second fractions. 3 by 10. Correct? So now again the 3 by 10 equalize the LCM. What is LCM here? 10. Put here 10. Then 10 1s are 10, 1s are cancel. What did here? 3 1s are 3. So now, so when we simplify or equalize the 3 by 10, it becomes 3. So put it here 3. Correct? Then 4 minus 3, 1. divided by 10, 10. This is called subtraction of the fractions.